Welcome to our Motherboard Showdown. Today we are diving deep into a comparison between two of the most popular B650 motherboards on the market. The GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX and the MSI Mag B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi. Both motherboards are designed for high-performance gaming and computing, but they come with their unique strengths and weaknesses. We'll explore their specifications, features, and user reviews to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. One of the key differences between these two motherboards is their PCIe support. The GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX features PCIe 5.0, which is designed to provide faster data transfer rates and future-proofing for upcoming hardware. In contrast, the MSI Mag B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi supports PCIe 4.0, which, while still capable, may not offer the same level of performance for next-generation components. This difference could be crucial for gamers and content creators looking to maximize their system's potential. When it comes to features, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX stands out with its RGB fusion technology, Smart Fan 6, and Q-Flash Plus, which enhance both aesthetics and functionality. Meanwhile, the MSI Mag 650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi offers its own unique features, such as the M.2 Shield Frozzer for improved cooling of NVMe SSDs. Both motherboards provide a robust set of features, but the choice may depend on whether you prioritize aesthetics or thermal performance. Warranty is another important factor to consider. The GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX comes with a generous 5-year warranty, providing peace of mind for users investing in a high-end motherboard. On the other hand, the MSI Mag B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi offers a 3-year warranty, which is still solid but may not provide the same level of assurance for long-term use. This difference could influence your decision if you plan to keep your motherboard for several years. In conclusion, both the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX and the MSI Mag B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi are excellent motherboards that cater to different needs. The GIGABYTE model excels with its PCIe 5.0 support and advanced features, making it a great choice for future-proofing your build. Meanwhile, the MSI motherboard offers great value and reliable performance. Ultimately, your choice should depend on your specific requirements and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.